Happy 43rd birthday to myself. Let's be honest, skincare isn't the most important thing in your 20s or even in your 30s. But now I'm making up time and even erasing it a little with this Rosamix 4-piece box set. I have very sensitive skin. Here's me after a horrible reaction last year to another cream. So when I tell you that these products are made for all skin types, I mean it. We're talking the highest quality ingredients to tighten and enrich your skin. Ingredients that help maintain elasticity, help brighten the skin, and reduce pigmentation. Treat yourself and your skin today with Rosamix.